do it. You're flying! You're flying! You're actually flying! How about that? This is the tricky part, downwind. That actually looks really good.
It tends to roll to the left.
But you're managing. That was a sharp turn.
Okay, I've got to bring it down now.
You may as well enjoy it a bit longer, because it's going to be hard not to break it when you land. Think about all the time you've spent building it. You may as well enjoy it as much as you can.
It keeps wanting to roll to the left.
Yes, you're managing alright though. That's a really nice shot. Not bad.